Hi everybody, I'm Buster Birch, and every Wednesday I'll be running my online jazz workshop, and it's at 7:30 p.m. UK time, and if you're in the States that's 2:30 p.m. Eastern and 11:30 a.m. Pacific. Each class lasts for 1 hour, and we've been going for about 10 weeks now, and we've got a great regular group of people from all over the place, quite a few countries represented now, so that's lovely to see. Each week I'll be taking one tune from the classic jazz repertoire and really analysing it, deconstructing it, taking it apart and looking at the ingredients of the music and seeing how we can use those same ingredients in our soloing. So learning the concepts and musical devices that the composer of the tune has used and incorporating those into our improvising. So we'll be looking at different styles and with each tune learning some new ideas and concepts, and of course that's a great way to solo over the tune and really sound like you're playing the tune rather than a generic solo that could fit on any tune. So when you sign up, when you click on the link below, you'll be taken through to my online shop on my website, and when you go through the checkout and payment process, what happens is you get a download link, and you'll also be sent an email with the same link on it, so you'll get two opportunities to click that link. And when you click that and download that link, what you get is a PDF file, and so that's a one PDF file that downloads to your computer or device. And when you open that up, everything you need for the workshop is included in that file. So in that file will be 3 more links that you need to click for the class. One of the links is to my Spotify playlist, and that means you can listen to the track and get to know the music before the class. I always work from specific recordings. We don't use generic lead sheets or real books. We always learn from a particular recording, which I think is very important because it puts you in a time and a place, and you can really study the particular musical devices that the jazz musicians are using of that time. So you'll get the Spotify playlist link. You'll also get a link to a Dropbox folder which automatically downloads. You don't need a Dropbox account to use that. It automatically downloads to your device or computer, and inside that folder will be all the resources for the class. So there'll be the sheet music for the tune we're learning. There'll be some warm-up exercises. There could be some theory or some harmony, handout worksheets, and there may be some MP3 tracks, some play-along backing tracks that we use in the class that I make as well. And finally, the other link that will be in that PDF file is the link which gets you into the Zoom meetings, which you need to click on the day of the workshop. So I hope that's all clear. If you've got any questions or queries, don't hesitate to get in touch. I'm very happy to deal with any inquiries about this. And so sign up below. We've got all the classes booked through now for the upcoming sessions. You can see what the tunes are. You can see what we'll be doing in each class, what we'll be focusing on and what you'll be learning. And as I say, if you sign up now, you'll get all those resources ahead of the class, which means you can spend some time getting to know the music, getting to practice the material and getting very prepared for the session. So hope to see you there. Thanks very much. Bye.